Good morning, guys. Have a good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell for you to be updated for my next videos. So this video ay nakunan ko na last day at dito ko ito na-introhan. So dito na ako nag-i-intro. And this is a Vanity Dresser worth 2,500. Kapag nagustuhan nyo ito na video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. So let's go take a look with our video. That's it, guys. So sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, subscribe na before leaving. And thank you for watching. Bye!